Camau Sylfaen. Uned 14, fideo 3, fersiwn y gogledd. Faint o sawl? Yn y fideo hwn, da ni'n mynd i ddysgu'r gwahaniaeth rhwng faint o a sawl. In this video, we're going to learn the difference between faint o and sawl. Faint o and sawl both mean the same, how many. However, we use faint and o with the plural noun. Enghraifft, faint o ystafelloedd sy yn yr adeilad. And we use sawl with the singular noun. Enghraifft, sawl ystafell sy yn yr adeilad. Both mean how many rooms are in the building. Gadewch i ni ymarfer. Let's practice some more examples. Ailadroddwch ar fy ôl i. Faint o afalau sy gen ti? How many apples do you have? Faint o lyfrau sy gen ti? How many books do you have? Faint o gleifion sy gen ti? How many patients do you have? As you can see, faint o causes a treiglad meddal. And, as you've learnt, we always use plural nouns with faint o. Faint o lyfrau sy gen ti? We can ask the same question using sawl. Ond cofiwch, but remember, we use singular nouns with sawl. Dedwch ar fy ôl i. Sawl afal sy gen ti? How many apples do you have? Sawl llyfr sy gen ti? How many books do you have? Sawl claf sy gen ti? How many patients do you have? Rwan, to answer the questions, dan ni'n medru dweud, we can say, mae un afal gen I. I have one apple. Mae dau lyfr gen I. I have two books. Mae tri chlaf gen I. I have 3 patients. Arbennig, rwan cwblhewch y gweithgareddau. Cofiwch da chi'n medru gwylio'r fideo hwn eto I adolygu. Now complete the activities and remember you can watch this video again if you wish to revise. Pob lwc!